In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create some scatter charts, which help you to compare two different sets of numbers and look for correlations. And so let's go ahead and select our data here, and then we'll go to the Insert tab. And then we can either look in recommended charts, or we can go here to charts and scatter, and we can select it just like that. So we can move it where we want it, resize it to however we need it to fit. And then we can also, up here up top, we can quickly pick just a quick theme if we will like. So maybe we can pick a dark one like this. You can also set the colors manually here as well. You can change some quick layout options here if you need a specific style or layout for your data. We can also add a chart element. For example, a common one here might be adding a trend line. And you could test the different ones to see which one fits data best. And you may even create several charts to highlight the different ones to see if you can spot those in a consistent manner. So we could just pick linear, for example. And there we go. So let's go ahead and look at another one really quick. And this one's just for fun, the average cups of coffee and the relevant sales in thousands. Let's go ahead and insert in charts, and we'll go to scatter again. And we'll place it where we want over here, so we can easily manage it. And then let's play around with some options so we can change it to the same theme as that one there. And we can look here at the trend line, and we can see that there's not really a correlation. And if anything, it actually might go down a hair as we have more coffee. Now, another thing you can do on these charts as well is you can add things like axis titles for vertical or horizontal. So we could add both of these if we like, and then we can name them. This would be sales and coffee. And then there are a number of other options over here under chart and text for how you want that display to look.